MEM School of Engineering, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Video Lecture 4, Subject Principle of Robotics, Unit number 4. Unit number 4, Robotic Path Planning. So first we need to know about it, what is trajectory planning, what is path planning. So trajectory planning depend on the point A to point B, that is starting of the location and end of the location, trajectory. That is if it is curved like that. Okay, path planning means the joints and links where to move, where to start, where to end. Like that we need to define a trajectory. That is path planning. A path planning is an important primitive for autonomous mobile robot that leads robot find the shortest or otherwise optimal path between 2 points. That is, we need to find out the shortest path between start and end. Okay, generally we have global path planning and local path planning. Okay, so we have example like this. Okay, this path planning main uh, objective of this path planning is to minimize the amount of turning, amount of braking, and whatever the specific application requires. Like this, first one, position and orientation of the robot is the main concept of path planning. The position vector, that is represented by the coordinates in the Cartesian space, and the one is joint space. These are defined by the three races, that is three axes x, y, b, x, y, z. These are defining the position and orientation. These are, it is defined by the frames. Okay, that is path 1, path 2, like this they are defining. In path 1, so in A to B, which location will varies, that is what is the x direction variation, what is the y direction variation, what is z direction variation. Like this we can, this is the path AB, that is path between AB. So like that we need to define, if another value C means, that is we need to define the path between B and C, that is path BC. Like this we need to define a position and orientation of the axis. Rotation matrix. Okay, sometimes the links will be rotated, that is x and y will be rotated, that we can define through the this matrix, that is RB, rotation for A to B. From A we are using B the path 1 end, so we need to define like this xy, x transformation of B, like this, that is transformation x y, x in the x axis, like this, x to y axis, x to z axis. In this y to x, like this we can define a rotation matrix of the path 1. Change of coordinates. Okay, first one we are seeing about the change of rotation. Like this, here we have change of coordinates. So change of coordinates means we need to vary the point value, we need to define the position of the robot. So we need to consider about the axis as well as position of the robot. This is the equation for change of coordination identification. So example for orientation of frame in a plane. This is the example for orientation of plane in a robot, that is rx and y. There is rotation of x, rotation of y. We can like seen like this. So phi means theta, that is rotation of theta, like this. Angle of deflection. Rotation of vector around z. Last one it is around of x, y, z, three axis. This one around only of z axis. That means z axis will be same, remaining will be changes with respect to the theta value. Okay. Evaluation of interpretations of the rotation matrix. These are the three common methods for rotation of joints and angles. Cartesian trajectory planning. Trajectory and path planning is about maximum same. So trajectory can include your waypoints, pass close to the but not necessarily pass through. Example, straight line path connected via points. Both position and orientation have to be interpolated. Position translation. Shape of the interpolated region. that is depend on the start of P and arrive at the P1 at the time of T1 under the constant velocity, NP2 from at P1 in time T2 under constant velocity. Like that we can define the position translation in this diagram. The initial condition P0, P1, P2 and T1, T2 all specified. So now consider the position consideration and velocity consideration like this. That is P of t minus tau, P of t plus tau. Then velocity constraints we can define like this. These are the integration of acceleration, because in acceleration if you integrate this means that is velocity. If you integrate this is the solution for trajectory position P of t. This is for rotational translation value. The rotational translation is found by the finding the equivalent axis of rotation k. So R0 is the start orientation, R1 the orientation at the via point, and R2 is the orientation at goal, that is R0, RK1 like this. Velocity and acceleration. Velocity and acceleration main for path planning. That means each path we need to define the velocity and acceleration like this. Okay, so this is depend on the position and vector movement. This dot represent the velocity, R represent, if there is no dot means there is acceleration. Y is found by the rotating x by pi by 2. This the more length is not fixed. So different kind of length we are using means we are using different kind of position and displacement. Polynomial in a normal condition. It is depend on the cubic polynomial, depend on the time. Next kinetic polynomial. This one depend on the tau. So tau means the translation time between path 1 and 2. So this defines the second concept. Higher order polynomials. So higher order polynomials is depend on the suitable solution class for satisfying symmetric boundary conditions in the PTP motions. Impose zero values on higher order derivatives. Interpolative polynomial is always of odd degree. In all other cases, for interpolating a large number of n points, there is not recommended. Nth order polynomials have n minus 1 maximum and minimum points. This is the example for numerical examples. This one 4, 3, 4 polynomials. This is the path 1, path 2 and path 3. That is 4, 3, 4. That is they are defining the quarter value, that is Q, L, T, S. That is last one path, starting one path, middle one path. That is fourth order polynomial, third order polynomial and fourth order polynomial. They are using 14 coefficients in the 4, 3, 4. Next one, terminology between path and trajectory. So path consists of order in locus of points in the space, either the joint space or the operation space. The path provides a pure geometric description of motion. The path is usually planned globally, taking into the account obstacle avoidance. The trajectory is a path plus velocity and acceleration in the each point. This is the robot motion planning of path planning. Path planning task. Find the collision free path for the robot on one configuration to another configuration. Okay, we can use any different kind of areas between these two, that is A to B. Okay, so path planning is an algorithmically difficult search problem. The involved task has an exponential complexity with respect to the degree of freedom. This is also dependent on the DYF. Next one, Cartesian space technique. So in Cartesian space, the trajectory of the manipulator and interpreter to follow the straight line. For example, so first one, in this A to B, we need to move joints like joint and links like this. Okay, to create a straight line movement. The trajectory specified in Cartesian coordinates may force the robot to run into itself. Trajectory in the operational space, calculate the path from the initial point to the final point. assign total time to transfer the path, escape the points in the times. So advantage is collision-free path can be obtained. Disadvantage, computationally expensive due to involved inverse kinematics. It's known how to set the. So types of trajectory control, displacement control, and force control. This one example for non-normalized trajectory. Non-normalized trajectory. For normalized trajectory. This one for straight line trajectory. This is also straight line trajectory. Examples: continuous transition version B. So trajectory in operational and joints is the final trajectory in the operational joints. For example, A to BC means we need to define path 1, path 2, path 3 like that for defining the circular path or straight line path. Thank you.